What can they do? I mean, you talked about segmenting and VLANing and so forth, but let's be honest. A lot of people don't know what LAN is, let alone V for VLAN. What can the average person do to try and operate a bit more securely?
Yeah. I'd actually, I would say this for the average person. I'm going to use AI as the example because things are getting a lot easier to learn and understand what's happening in your network. So I'll start with the home network. And if you have questions, use AI, ask it to show you the steps to get into your router and figure out, number one, if you have any updates that need to be made to the router, right? Number two, setting up, I'm big on the segmentation. Set up segmentations for your devices so that you have the main section in your IoT and your guest network, right? I would make sure that for those devices that you can't update, maybe the manufacturer's out of business, maybe they just haven't done any updates. Maybe it's time to retire them. Maybe they're old, right? Maybe it's time to get them out of your environment. And then I'll hit on the passwords piece, right? Passwords are very important. And I was going to use a company, but it seems like they're getting hacked right now. But use a password manager, a good password manager, right?
Hmm.
For what you've got going on.
All the different
Yeah, go
password
ahead, Greg.
managers are targets all the time. And that's one of the struggles I have with my clients where they're like, well, the LastPass one's an example from 2022 where they're like, well, this is a big problem. I'm like, it will be when quantum's available. Yes. Like,
Hmm.
and trying to explain that to clients where it's like, yes, I understand LastPass was compromised and they did get a very encrypted database. And hypothetically, I guess they could try to brute force individuals within it, but they don't know who those individuals are. They can't find it because they're all encrypted. This is a quantum problem. And when quantum's here, we're all in trouble. So it's, yeah, I agree. I do like password managers.
I only have one other point I would just mention is going back to multi-factor authentication is if you have devices or websites that have MFA as an option, turn it on.
These are all great examples. Although I am surprised you didn't say just become Amish because that will keep you secure,
No
right?
electricity, nothing.
You say that. Could the Amish be hacked? I bet they could. There's a way. I mean, at the Amish market, that's your first in like way in. And then listen, someone's now going to take this as a challenge. Don't hack the Amish.
Do not. Please don't.
They're folk. Please. Anyway, well, thank you so much, Gloria. It's been a pleasure to have you. This has been a great
Thank you.
conversation. If anyone's interested, they can reach out to us or in the comments below. We'll keep an eye on and pass everything to Gloria.